What is good, y'all? Today is Wednesday, May 8th, and we're under a severe weather alert. Um, right now, there's thunderstorms. The time right now is about 9:30, and it's close to my bedtime because I got school tomorrow. So there it goes. My guess is that it will end around 4 o'clock in the morning, or whatever time it will end. That's my guess. Well, we got the rain. Yep, I can clearly hear it. It's increasing the precipitation. It's gonna keep on increasing. That's what thunderstorms are like today. I'll catch you guys on more updates later on. Alright, we got lightning now. And it is constant, which means non-stop. I've seen this happen in the summer, but now, this is what it is. It is not as bright as it is, so, yep, it is getting brighter. It's lightning. Oh my gosh, it is getting brighter. So yeah, some of it is brighter now, as it is now. Ooh, it's that again. This is crazy, oh my god. Holy smokes. This one's the brightest lightning I've ever seen in my life. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, crud. You may need to do something. Today is May 9th, and here's the update. There was a flash flood watch, and I don't even know if I got damage in the area from where I live. So yeah, this is today's weather right now. And yeah, that's all I have.